Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can find your saved collection in Instagram. So here I've already opened my Instagram, and to find your save reel or post collection, you just need to go to your profile and then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and then go to saved. Click on that, and in here you can see there's all posts right here, and this is the audio save collection, and this is the save collection that I made myself. So to see the save collection, you can just go to the all posts, and here are the list of my save posts or reels collections on Instagram. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, don't forget to click thanks button, comment and subscribe. Bye.